Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this website you can get a brand color from here. You can generate brand colors for your website or for a graphic design you're doing or for your brand. So what you just need to do is just come to this place here, click on this generate. When you click on generate, you notice that the colors here has changed. You can see this pattern, you can see this product side. So let me generate again. You can see the different combinations, and any of them you like, these are the color codes. When you click on it, you see the color code here. You can copy it and do whatever you want. The same with this is the color code here. So let me generate another one. So you can see it goes on with different brands, different settings. You can see it, different settings as you're going. You can see this one now for clothing line. So you can see, so you can generate a brand color from here to make your work look nice. Know the type of colors to use when you're presenting a design or a job to a client. You can see it, it goes on. Even on this you can see the changes. So you can see there's a lot you can do from this website, and the most interesting part is here where you have upload. You can use this feature to extract a particular color, or maybe you see a design, there's a design you saw online or on the website, you just screenshot it and you want to know the colors, the combination of colors that was used on that particular design. So just what you need to do is come to this section here and click on the upload button. Then you click here to import your image, or you can drag and drop. So let me just use this for example. Let me upload this image very quickly. It's uploading right now. So here now you can choose the number of colors you want it to display. If you want a minimum of 6 colors, you can click on 6. If you want to reduce the number of colors it's going to extract. So right now it's set to default of 5 colors. So these are the color combinations for this particular design. If I want to know the colors, I'll just come to this top here and click on it. You see the color code? You see the color code? These are the color combinations that was used on this. So if you want to see more shades of this extracted colors, you just need to increase the bar, increase it to maybe 10 or 9. I'm waiting for it to load. It's going to load the colors. So you can see it now, it has loaded. So these are the shades you have. You can as well come here and select a color code and use it for anything you want. So if you got value from this, please subscribe to this channel and comment on it so they can get to all other people, and turn on your notification bell so you can get these videos when it drops. You'll be the first to see it. So see you in my next video.